Hey guys, Salamander Commander here, and today I'm on VRCHAT. I know, right? Look at this. What does this do? Hold still. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm flat. Oh my god. You okay? I'm sure he'll be fine. Hey, what does this do? Can I pick that up? Can I bonk people and... Bonk. I'm in a little cartoony world. What does this button do? Oh, goody, what does this do? Oh, this is totally not a bad idea. Ow! Whoops. Oh no. I'm flat now. Uh... Oh no, now I'm flat now. I'm flat as paper. I'm now a South Park character. Oh jeez. Oh, this is a little goofy. Oh jeez. Oh, that's incredible. I will say, this is a neat little world. Very cartoony, which I do love that. I wonder if there's any other little gimmicks up here. Oh, can I not come up there? Oh, dang it. Oh, there's an anvil and a toolbox. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, I think it's locked, though. I think. Yeah. It's for PC only. That sucks. It says it's supposed to have sound effects, so where the... Bonk, bonk, bonk. Man, it looks like a ghost is holding it. Watch out, Meowscles got a new pickaxe. Bonk. Come on, I can pick it up. that is not how you wear a helmet, but I guess I'll have to do. It says it's supposed to have sound effects, but I don't hear the sound effects, like actual sound, like cartoon sounds, or just like the noises of the steamroller. Oh no, flat. Jeez Louise. This would definitely be a lot more fun with friends. I will say that. That one is pretty funny. That's pretty funny how that one. Oh, whoops. Kind of left the other one unattended off the limit. But, South Park Meowscles is there. I will say, this is goofy. I'll probably have to do a live stream, one day. Well, there's not really much going on. I just wanted to do a little video of me, just letting y'all know, yes, I have VRCHAT, and I would love to do more VRCHAT content. Anyone who wants to be my friend, Salamander SDR, which is SDR for Commander. There's my bio, you know, all that fun stuff. So, and yeah, my YouTube. So, I will see y'all later. Alright, bye-bye.